Hi everyone, my name's Michael Sherry, and I'm doing this video on behalf of Paul Sherry RVs. If you're unsure of who Paul Sherry RVs is as a business, maybe pause this video and just go to Google, type us in. You know what to do. Look at our reviews off to the right. You'll see we're hundreds. We have nearly 500 reviews right now of customers who have come in and done business with us. And not just customers that live around us here in Ohio, but customers from all over the United States, even up into Canada. So learn a little bit about who we are and why these customers are coming in to do business with us, some of them traveling hundreds of miles to do so. And you know, sometimes I wonder why, but I think one of the main reasons why is our reputation. We have a great reputation out there amongst the RV industry, where sometimes there's not a lot of good reputation amongst RV dealers, unfortunately. And also we have a great selection of RVs, both new and used RVs, and we pride ourselves by having the best price in the United States generally on everything that we carry. And there's no gimmicks, there's no add-on fees that a lot of your dealers, including your local and national dealers, are starting to add on in addition to the sale price. We don't do that here at Paul Sherry's. The price you see is the price you pay, plus your taxes, and $283.50. That'll cover your temporary tag and all paperwork, and you have my word on that. I'm started out this video, and we're going to be talking about a fifth wheel today, but I'm inside the fifth wheel because it's a little windy outside, and sometimes that wind noise can disrupt that there. So I'm going to start out inside the fifth wheel and just talking about fifth wheels in general. One thing that kind of baffles me is we sell probably 3 travel trailers to every 1 fifth wheel. And, you know, I'm not 100% sure why. I know one of the main reasons is a lot of people just don't have a big pickup truck to be able to pull a fifth wheel. Now, they do make fifth wheels, and we carry them here in the dealership that many half-ton trucks can pull. But I think one of the real reasons is a lot of people are intimidated by fifth wheels, like how they hook up. It's more like a semi. Maybe they've pulled trailers in the past, cargo trailers, but they never really pulled a fifth wheel before, and they're just intimidated by it. They don't think they can do it. One thing, I'm young, and I've thought those thoughts before myself when I first started pulling vehicles around. But one thing that always surprises me every time I hook up and pull a fifth wheel camper is how well they pull. They don't sway down the road so bad like a trailer does sometimes on a windy day. They hook up super easy. There's no weight distribution bars or anything like that a lot of trailers you really need to be able to tow them safely. And I'm just always surprised. You know, the weight of the fifth wheel is right over the axle of the pickup truck, so your weight's right where it needs to be, not behind the bumper, where you get a lot of leverage factor in. So if you are on the fence whether to buy a trailer or a fifth wheel, I highly recommend you research fifth wheels for those reasons I just listed. And what I always tell my customers who are trading in a trailer to go to a fifth wheel is you're going to tell yourself, why in the world did I pull a travel trailer around for all those years? This is so nice. And maybe you won't, but every time I hook up, that's what I think to myself. Why in the world would anyone buy a trailer if they have the capabilities of towing a fifth wheel? Because these are so nice to tow, and the amenities are really cool. So, all right, enough rambling about that. Let's talk about this fifth wheel. So I'm inside. I don't want to show you too much because I want to start outside. This is an all-new Keystone Alpine 3651 is the model number. It's a rear lounge, triple slide fifth wheel. This is Keystone's premier fifth wheel. They do not build a nicer one. This is Keystone's nicest fifth wheel line. It's a wide body construction. It's going to give you 100 inches wide. That allows them to do some more unique things inside, which I'll show you when we get in there. This is also a fifth wheel. If you're looking to stay a long time in your RV or even live in year round, like I'm putting the title, you want to avoid real estate taxes, this might be one way to do it, is buy a house on wheels. And this camper is actually built to be lived in. A lot of campers are built to be vacationed in and not meant to be lived in. This one is built to be lived in. The warranty provided by Keystone acknowledges that a lot of their customers do live in these RVs, so they build them for that reason. The warranty covers you if you live in them. A lot of campers out there, if you are going to live in it, that does void their warranty because they're not meant for it, believe it or not. Kind of strange, but that is true. Keystone Alpine, this is a full profile fifth wheel. So from the front to the back, it's one solid solid flat line. It doesn't curve down in the front or curve down in the back like the Sabre beside us curves down in the front. That is more of a mid-profile fifth wheel. That's how you tell the difference between the two. The Keystone Alpine also comes with the industry best, in my opinion, strongest warranty that's ever been out on the market. This has been out for about 2 years now. It's a 3-year structure warranty. Some items are covered up to 25 years, which is really, really cool. Let's start walking around. We'll just show you some of the stuff. Solid fiberglass front cap, automotive paint up there. Where the Alpine sticker is up there, that is actually an automotive windshield, which will show you a little bit better once we get inside the camper here. This comes with the road armor kingpin here, which basically gives you this pivoting kingpin head. And also this is a Keystone exclusive, the mirror above the kingpin, so you can vision as you're backing your pickup truck up to here, you're going to be able to see that mirror and you're going to be able to hit it first time right where it needs to be. 3 slides on this. The 2 slides are on this business side of the camper. The big propane bottles, those are the 30-pounders. It has 6 points of leveling. The first 2 points are up here, 2 points in front of the 2 axles and 2 points behind the 2 axles. It gives you 6 points of leveling that really is going to level this camper no problem. It's hydraulic leveling as well. A lot of the competition is using electronic leveling. Electronic leveling is not as strong and not as efficient. All right, giant storage compartment here. It's so big they actually put tie downs in here. It's finished out very well as well. And this whole camper can be used in really cool weather. Actually, it's rated from the factory to go down to negative 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So you'll be able to use this camper in the wintertime, as long as you're running your furnace and have your heated tank pads on. Even this compartment is going to be heated, so the items that you have in this compartment will not be affected by the weather. Here's your water hookup station here. All your various hookups. You have your different knobs for winterization that really make it simple, and your dump valves right here. New for this year, this is what they call a 2020 and a half. I've been talking about these for a couple of weeks now. This is what the 2021s are going to look like. So when this comes out 2021, it's going to look just like this, except it's going to be more money. So if you're looking to save some money, jump on these 2020 and a halves that we have here at the dealership. This is new, the new Suburban water heater, tankless water heater for the 2020 and a halves. Also, I failed to open it. This is new for 2020 and a half, is the power reel. Comes with the power reel. This is for your electric cord, your big 50 amp cord. So it's nice having it on power. This is also new. This is a hitch, 300-pound tongue weight, 3,000-pound trailer weight. So you can easily tow a decent sized boat behind this, no problem. I know a lot of customers like to do that, so that's a nice feature. If that's not you, it's a great spot for a bike rack. 2 awnings on this, both power awnings, really nice. That allows basically this entire side to be in the shade on a bright sunny day. Here's your hydraulic motor and pump. This is going to run your slide rooms and those leveling jacks. All right, let's get out of the wind. So coming in, I do want to show you this. This has the new Lippert steps. It's a 4-entry step. Really makes it easy to come in. Again, the puller pack. And this is the 3651RL. This is very similar to this 3650RL. The main difference is this right here. The 3650 has a RV refrigerator. This 3651, which is how I personally prefer them, has the residential refrigerator, which is bigger with a built-in inverter, so it can run while you're going down the road. No problem with that built-in inverter inverting the power. All right, let's start in the back because this is the main attraction to this fifth wheel being a rear lounge. First thing that catches my eye is this center island, and maybe this camera, as I look through at the camera, it's not doing it quite justice, but this island is probably bigger than any other island I've seen in a fifth wheel. It really stands out with a solid surface countertop. It has a lot of space here, a lot of space if you want to have a buffet type meal, a lot of space to put out food. And then for the dishwasher in the family, it has the biggest stainless steel sink I have ever seen in a camper any camper. So split sink, residential style faucet, very, very nice. And then those sink covers complete this area when you're not washing the dishes, just more countertop space. So that's nice. Have various power hookups all along, so if you want to plug in your crock pots and things of that sort in the island, you can. A lot of drawer space here, as you notice here. Full depth drawers as well. I can get all the way to the back of the drawer there. Metal roller glided. Some cabinets under here. Good space. And look at this. There's a lot of times no spot to put a trash can. You've got 2 trash cans built in here. Again, more of a residential feel you're going to get out of this. The remainder of the kitchen, we have the big 1.5 cubic foot microwave up here. I do want to mention all the drawer and door faces are going to be hardwood, along with all the styling, the wood styling that we see here. It's not going to be a particle board. It's going to be a hardwood. This has the nicest oven I've seen. Furrion oven. Couples very well with this gas stovetop, 3 burners. And check out this range hood. Very, very nice. Samsung refrigerator. And freezer down below. All right. Remainder of the kitchen, we have a table here. This table can be extended. There's 2 extra folding chairs that go along that match with this. And then we get into the entertainment area. We start here at the theater seats. Now these seats are going to recline. The furniture is made by Thomas Payne, which is a residential style furniture producer. Very comfortable furniture and furniture that's built to last. In addition to these chairs reclining, they also have a heat function and a massage function. So you're going to be comfortable there while you're sitting. Another thing I want to point out, it's hard to point on this camera, but really tall slide rooms. I'm 6 foot tall. They are probably about 7 foot tall slide rooms. That allows you to get really big windows. I got the shades all pulled halfway, but you can get really large windows in this. Speaking of large, we have a nice large sofa here. Most sofas are just 2 places. This is a 3rd place sofa. This allows you to be able to lay down on the sofa. And also this is extra sleeping spot in this camper. That's going to fold out to probably a king size bed. Really comfortable sleeper sofa. And then good viewing angle from the dinette, from the theater seats, and from the couch is your television, which is really important so you can see your television. Big TV, flat screen TV, 50-incher. Couples well with this 40-inch fireplace that's built by Furrion, the same producer as the radio and all the TVs in this coach. And a lot of the appliances. That makes it nice that everything's brand name and matches. Furrion is a brand name for RVs. It's appliances and electronics built specifically for your RV. They understand that it's going to, be vibrating while you're going down the road. It's going to experience some extreme temperatures while in storage. So they understand that stuff, and it's built for that, which is really, really thought out well. The radio is going to be an AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, DVD. I would say if you've got it, it can probably play it. All right, in this closet as we walk in, the entry door to our right is a nice storage closet. It's got a coat hanging rack up here, your 2 folding chairs we've got in here, and also this comes with a central vac. The hoses and things are in here. But there's even more. This is prepped for a washer dryer. Actually, a stackable washer dryer can fit in this compartment here if you need that. Good spot for it. To the left of that big closet, we have some more storage space, but something really important here is your in-command center here. So this is a 1 command, and everything we see here you can do also from an app on your phone. But basically, this is the brains of your camper. This is going to turn on your heating and air conditioning, run your slides in and out, turn your lights on and off. It's going to put your awnings in and out, and really nice feature. So check that out for sure. I mentioned it does have heating tanks on the different tanks, heated pads on the tanks. You can turn those on right here. Coming down through here, it is prepped for the LTE router. If you are want internet access, you can buy the device from your phone carrier, install it in here, and then you're going to have internet wherever there is phone service. And here is your central vac. All right, coming up the steps, we'll go walk towards the bedroom and the bathroom. I do want you to notice this nice stylish handrail along with the wood steps. Wood steps are very important in campers. I see a lot of manufacturers carpeting their steps. The trouble with that is it's a high traffic area, right? And the carpet wears down fast, so it's nice having a solid wood step. Also, you have a nice window for natural light as we come up into the space. Straight ahead's the bedroom. To the right here is going to be your bathroom. This is an all-in-one bathroom. Features a stand-up shower with glass door, foot flush stool, a lot of space here. You can easily get changed in here. And a large area for your sink. Same type of countertop material we saw in the kitchen, the nice man-made rock material. Plug-in for your hair dryer and things of that sort, electric razor. And deep storage down there. That's a couple feet deep. Nice lighting in here. The shower, I get giddy over this stuff. So this is a one-piece shower. So all fiberglass. There's no seam at the tub or along the walls or anything. It has a stool there. Has various spots to put your soaps and razors and things of that sort. I like that. It's clean. It looks good. Now there is a pocket door here. This will go directly into the bedroom. So we'll go into the bedroom this way and come out the main entrance. So walking in the bedroom, what we have here, we have a bed slide. So this allows us to have a king bed, right? King bed with a lot of room at the foot of the bed where we can get ready and things of that sort. So that's a nice feature to have. In the slide room, there are windows. They both open to allow for cross ventilation. Wardrobes on both sides here. I'll open up this side for you to see. Nice tall wardrobe. Here's that front windshield I was showing you outside. You can really see inside. It allows a lot of natural light in. A little bit of a nook underneath here. And a lot of drawers. We have 3 drawers up here. Again, same full depth drawers. Good spot for your socks and sweaters. And 3 more drawers here. Beside that, we have a nice sit-down spot to sit down and get ready in the morning, tie your shoes. And a nice Furrion television up front here. Now this fifth wheel is equipped with the Whisper Air system. It's got 2 Whisper Airs up on the roof. There's the duct there. What the Whisper Air is, it's an air conditioner. Typically in RVs, your air conditioner makes quite a bit of noise. How they've ducted this air conditioner, and the air conditioner itself allows this air conditioning to be super quiet. That's why they call it a Whisper Air. So that completes the walkthrough on this. This is the Keystone Alpine, so check it out. The purpose we do these videos is to show you what's cool, what's new out in the industry, but also encourage you if you're in the market to buy an RV off us, or at least give us an opportunity. So by all means do that. I'll post some links below that'll have our website. If you're looking to trade your RV, if you're looking to finance your RV. Chris at the beginning of this video asked me, how long can you finance this RV for? Well, it depends on your credit, depends on your situation, depends on how much money you have down. But you could finance this for 15 years, up to 15 years. So super low payment on this if you qualify. By all means, check that out. I'll post links below about financing too, so to help you out there. You can do all this on our website, whether you want to trade in an RV, look at pictures of this and more, get finance quotes, all from our website. Super interactive, so make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching. Everyone have an awesome rest of your day.